Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video of Usisi and Uzinxumalo ignoring uThembisiwe Dakesana. They were trying to take pictures, and bobabona ukuthi Uzinxumalo and Usisi, like, they were close together, bahleka boyithu bakhuluma boyithuna, and they were just ignoring uThembisiwe. In that video, everyone is talking about it. Kesana saying ukuthi ma upcoming they are ignoring a legend. Kesana, some people were even saying ukuthi tsene sati wena Thembisiwe labo vele laba ignorago asibadi. Kesana, wena we know vele ukuthi dzalo segamini o uyi-legend ungabanaki. So bana abaningi ba-feeling ngazuthi they were just rude and bakhombisa nje kungabi nemuntu because why ba-ignora lo mnye mntwana. Ubone ukuthi vele ngazuthi abamfuni ukuthi abe khona laphana kule picture, babukana boyi-2 bagona neboyi-2, yena utimele nje lapha esayidini and Nkosi yami ivisana buhlungu. Amsho nani nasekahleli ayibuka le video le utobona mani ukuthi la ngathi bengimane ngitifaka bengingafuna. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.